In this video, I will show you how to send pictures on Gmail Android. This is quick and easy to do. First thing you need to do is open your Gmail app. After that, click the Compose button, and right here you type the email from someone you want to send pictures. So I'm gonna type my other Gmail account. After that, click the paperclip in the top right corner and then click Attach File. You can see the pictures and then click one to attach file. Then you can either compose your subject and content of your email. So I'm gonna type photo. After that, click send and you're done. Thank you, and I hope that helps.